Nestled in the lower desert of Southern California lies a monumental testament to faith, love, and the power of one man's vision. Welcome to Salvation Mountain, a folk art site that has captivated visitors from around the globe with its vibrant colors, religious messages, and heartfelt dedication. Join us as we explore this man-made marvel, uncover its history, and discover what makes it a symbol of unconditional love and perseverance.
Salvation Mountain was created by Leonard Knight, who spent over 3 decades building and painting this incredible structure. Starting with nothing but a bag of cement and a whole lot of paint, Knight's project grew into the mountain we see today, covered in over 100,000 gallons of paint. His message is simple yet profound. God is love, a phrase that adorns the mountain's peak and encapsulates the essence of his work.
Every inch of Salvation Mountain is adorned with biblical verses, flowers, birds, trees, waterfalls, and hearts, each painted with vibrant colors that seem to defy the desert's harsh environment. The site also features the Yellow Brick Road, which guides visitors to the mountain's summit, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Pictures that they're fading.
Yeah.
This is a trophy. It's the Niland Tomato and Sportsman's Festival Senior King, Leonard Knight, 1998. So it's a mixture of straw and mud. It's like adobe. And but I mean, over time, water has gotten in here and destroyed some of it. So the creator of Salvation Mountain is a guy named Leonard Knight, who in 1984 began this simple project to try to tell everybody about God and his love for them, and it grew over 30 years into this. He had no electricity, no running water. He just every day labored to create the message you see before you. God is love. He didn't call himself an artist. He would scrounge and scavenger things to make what he's made. And Leonard left the mountain in 2011 at the age of 82, and then he died in 2014.
Though Leonard Knight passed away in 2014, his legacy lives on through the efforts of volunteers who tirelessly work to preserve his creation. Salvation Mountain stands as a beacon of creativity, faith, and community spirit, inspiring all who visit.
For those looking to experience Salvation Mountain, it's more than just a visit. It's an immersive journey into the heart of one man's dream. Visitors are encouraged to walk the path Leonard Knight laid down, take in the vibrant landscapes, and reflect on the mountain's message of love and unity.
Salvation Mountain stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith and the beauty of human expression. In this corner of California's desert, Leonard Knight's vision of love and redemption continues to shine brightly, touching the hearts of those who make the pilgrimage to this extraordinary site. From its humble beginnings to its status as a cultural and spiritual landmark, Salvation Mountain reminds us all of the power of passion and the universal language of art. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on our travels at the places where we go.